I was hoping to be working on that stuff and revealed it sooner, but it's taken a week because of snow and bad weather to finally get the car here to me so I can do stuff with it. And we have some big plans for the shell. So I don't know how much I want to give away, which is say I do have a title for it. It is busted up pretty bad, so the body's pretty useless. And WR. Alright guys, here it is. The old Butte. So, big news happening. This will soon be my shop. I'm partnering up with a buddy of mine. Alright guys, start of renovation. First wall going down. Alright guys, there's that wall gone. I'll work on doing that over there. It's harder to see, but it's going to be so much better. Alright guys, been working in the shop, the new shop, doing a little remodeling. Alright, so there's the walls gone. This bar now is gone that was wrapped around here over there. The rest of that wall's out. The wall back there's out. So we're gonna cut an archway right here, making a little bit bigger opening. Alright guys, LS swap, WRX, JDM swap, whole bunch of junk. They see the remodel. We're taking the roof way back up and making us more space and taking out some of these walls. And so I've been working a lot in here. You got this whole old salon gone, all this counter junk gone right here. And open up, clean out the front up there. And we just got storage and stuff for now. And just working on, like I said, getting the roof back. What's up guys? Rocking it today. I'm not really working on cars, working on the new shop. And thanks to my brother and his buddy coming and help me out, we crushed it. And my vision of the shop and stuff are starting to come to be. Let me flip you around here and show you what we got going on. Boom guys, there it is. It's super open now. So we got back up to the rafter beams, cut that all out today and removed the wall. Finished removing all the cross trusses on one half right here. And this beam was down the center down there. That was down the middle and had boards on both sides. And so I got that out. Got the other side completely, all the insulation moved today, the drywall taken down, all the boards holding up the ceiling down. All the, like I said, the beams were the big things. So I had this pole here, this massive like 6x12 beam, and man, it's looking so much better. I can't wait. I extend the wall up, extend the ceiling way up. I might leave it open, do spray foam and stuff on the ceiling, kind of give it the old school wood and industrial look. And then so I got to build kind of a wall right here up so I can fill in insulation. Do the same on this side of the shop right here, a little tiny wall. Bring it all the way up to here. The wall itself with the drywall. Then we're going to put that beam right here where this piece crosses, bring it down here. Then I can finish removing this one. And we'll have that whole kind of section here back open, another 3 or 4 feet here, all the way back to there. That back corner we're going to be able to close it off and kind of turn it into a sanding spray booth. And this wall will be gone once this cooler gets removed, and all the tools and stuff will be back there. And then the one lone panel, we're going to move it to the wall over here and run the electrical, rewire it, put up the code stuff, the lights, put a whole bunch of more LED, 4-foot LED tube lights in. There's no lighting. There was never really lighting here. So put some in here and here, hang a couple up above the rafters. So awesome progress happening. Pretty pumped. It's kind of late, but man. There it is. It's going to be so much nicer. It's going to be so much bigger. So much more room for more cars. Here it is, guys. Busted. So this is our new parts car. We got upgraded brakes, interior pieces, some rims. As you can tell, it's broke, but hopefully we get all the parts we want out of it and we can make it awesome. So yeah, some little stuff in here. Upgraded shifter. Got this little bad boy here, HKS turbo timer unit and stuff. It works. That's junk, but I got the double din, and got the Momo steering wheel. They took the computer, unfortunately, and I don't know what else is in the trunk because I can't get that open. And the key cards are kind of garbage, which is fine, but it has the headlights and the center light up there, has seat belts, some of that stuff that I needed for our car. So things are awesome. Quality car, quality tools. Let's go to good old Harbor Freight, brothers. Who loves Harbor Freight? Get a shout out for Harbor Freight.
No, I was gonna this one.
No way. You're a real raise. Dude. Bring that camera. If I can take a picture of it. You just gotta push. I was recording a video.
Yeah, you're recording it.
Alright guys, we made it. There it is, the new parts car. Getting all the good stuff, people. So we made the journey over the mountain. Now the snow's gone. So thanks for tuning into this. More stuff to come. We'll tell you what this is for. And that. Yep, that. That's another big project coming up. So it's going to be awesome. Alright guys, there you have it. Kind of a short video, just an update. I've been working on that stuff a lot. I've been doing some other car maintenance stuff. Did tires and struts and oil changes and brakes and stuff on standard cars. Nothing crazy. But I wanted to give you a rundown on the parts car. So I'm not sure if they're real rays for the rims, but that's definitely a score. It also has the HKS boost solenoid and all the wiring and computers. So that was a big score. Then I needed the cluster, the kind of instrument fan panels and controls. I needed a glove box because the one we got is broke. And I needed the dome light for the wagon, and some of that stuff I needed for the wagon to get it all fixed up, make it nicer, increase the value, make it just a good solid car. Just want to do stuff, just want to do it right, trying to make it, you know, legit and nice. And so that's why we got the parts car. Also, it has Megan Racing lowering springs. That's another reason. And then it has an upgraded shifter. So we got it for that. And so there's a lot of good parts on it that I need for the wagon to make it better, to make it sit better, to make it more functional, to make it look nicer. So I'm pretty stoked. Got it for a killer deal. I was hoping to be working on that stuff and revealed it sooner, but it's taken a week because of snow and bad weather to finally get the car here to me so I can do stuff with it. And we have some big plans for the shell. So I don't know how much I want to give away, which is say I do have a title for it. It is busted up pretty bad, so the body's pretty useless. And WR X-o shell, maybe. So we might do a Drift Kart. So strip it down, turn it into a cage. If you've ever seen Crow Works, some of those people doing the X-o shell pieces, that is kind of the idea with the WRX. And then maybe putting a Chevy V8 in it and keeping it rear-wheel drive instead of all-wheel drive. So it might be crazy, but it might be awesome. And then that truck you saw, it's another big project. That was an axle swapped truck that is blown up, has some issues. So we're going to do a live axle front and back swap on a newer Tahoe and get it lifted and make it a baby mini monster truck. And get all the suspension off and do a custom lift on a newer Tahoe. So it should be sick. We got that stuff going on. We'll see how the WRX goes. There's a few other things in the pipeline I'm hoping to get to work out, but we'll see how it really is. But you guys, thanks for liking and subscribing. Make sure you follow along with those builds coming up. We got some crazy stuff happening and good stuff like you saw happening with the shop. And I'll keep trying to pump out videos every week for you. And hopefully we can get on a better schedule once the shop's up and running and remodels done, and we can focus on building stuff more instead of the shop. So thanks again, guys, for tuning in. Till next time.